you're experiencing frame stuttering in PUBG, calibrating your settings can help improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to quickly address the issue. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadows, and effects to improve performance. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers for optimal performance. Step 3. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help reduce stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Shut down unnecessary background applications that may be using system resources. This can free up CPU and RAM, allowing PUBG to run more smoothly. Step 5. Adjust in-game settings. Experiment with in-game settings such as VSync and frame rate limit. Turning off VSync can reduce input lag, while setting a frame rate limit can help maintain consistent performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing PUBG. Enjoy your gaming!